Step 1. Organize panel. Note the corresponding serial numbers for different panels. Drive in the screws A into the panels 4 and tighten them carefully. Tap the wooden tenon C into the panels 4. Install screws A and wooden dowels C on panels 3, 7, and 8. Step 2. Assemble the cabinet body. Align the screw with the hole assembly panel 4, panel 8. Drive in the screw A into the panel 8. Note, holes with shorter distances should face downward. Align with the hole position. Splice 4, 8, and 7. Place nut B into panel 4, then tighten clockwise. Remove panel 3 and join it with panel 4. Remove the panel 5. Ensure the holes face upward. Remove the panel 6. Insert buckle B and tighten clockwise. After laying the cabinet unit flat, tap the pads G into the cabinet bottom. Place the fasteners B in sequence to secure the panel. Remove the panel 1. Drive in the screws M to fix the panel 1 tightly. Step 3. Assemble the cabinet doors. Assemble handles and full overlay hinges to doors. Stick on anti-collision pads H. Install the handle. Drive in the screws K to fix the panel 2 tightly. Step 4. Adjust cabinet doors. Door panel heights are inconsistent. Adjust this screw. There is a gap between the cabinet door and the panel. Loosen this screw and slide the hinge back and forth.